Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your goal over on the Babbel app. So if you want to change your goal, then all you need to do is open the app just like this. And if you want to change your goal, or streak basically, then what you need to do is head over to the top right corner of your screen at the profile icon, and then right here it will either say set goal or change your goal if there's no goal set yet. So what you need to do is click on set goal. And then you simply need to type in or basically click on why you're learning that specific language. So for example, you want a brain training for fun. What you then do is click on next and you need to select which level you are currently on. So it's either you're really basic, independent or proficient. And of course basic means you basically can't speak the language at all, and proficient means you are pretty good at it already. So just click whatever you want, click on next, and then what you need to do is basically which level you want to be at in which certain time period. So I'm just going to say as quick as possible 1 to 3 months, and once you've done that, click on confirm, and then right here it's going to basically give you that goal. You can change it of course by just clicking right here, and you can change how many minutes a day you want to learn. So for example 60 minutes a day. All you need to do is click on confirm goal, and then your goal has basically been set. You just click on confirm, and yeah, that's basically what you need to do. So if you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.